It's the Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, where we learn together, we play together, we explore together, and help each other. Welcome back to Joe and Joey's Imagination Station, kiddos! Today, we'll be teaching you kiddos something new. What is it, you ask? Well, it's the word of the week for you kids! What's your word of the week?
I like words!
The word of the week is moon! Yay! The moon orbits the planet Earth. You can see the moon in the sky at night. You can also use the moon in a sentence like this. The moon has lots of dust and craters. Alright, kiddos, tell your parents the word you just learned from Joe and Joey. Moon! If you liked our video, ask your parents to give us a like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, kiddos! Be sure to check back again next week for the new